Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to simplify YNAB. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So, how to simplify it? Well, think of it as have everything you need and don't have anything you don't need. So, if you spend like, I don't know, $20 on something that you don't care about, you can just create like a section that's called other, and you can add expenses that way. So if you go to the top right on the pen and you click on the file at the top right, you can just say other, and then other you can of course add dates, and next time you're going to transactions, let's say you lost $10, you can choose the category we just created. Yes, other, and this is basically like other. You can of course always add a memo to whatever transactions you are doing, so you can be like I don't know, Costco, whatever, and then be like, okay, I kind of know what it is, but I don't care. So that's one way to simplify it. Yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. How I would simplify it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.